Then mushrooms. Although not a plant, these are amazing for student gardeners. The one you see here is an oyster mushroom, but there are many varieties. They grow on organic waste, like coffee grounds, of which most students have ample supply. You can collect the coffee grounds in a plastic container. My favorite, an empty protein shake pot, because it's already blacked out and has a cap, but make sure to get your roommates involved to fill the entire thing up. You can order a starting colony online to get you started. Let the root network grow in the dark until it reaches the top. Introduce light by removing the top or cutting a hole in the container, and watch how the mushroom bursts into growth. It will take a while for the roots to settle in, but once it has settled in and starts growing, they will double in size every day, and you can get multiple harvests from just one pot. They like moist environments, so you can place them in the shower or spray them a couple times a week, which should be fine. Harvest the amount you need or store everything in the fridge. You can usually store them for 2 or 3 days. It makes for a great meat substitute in multiple dishes, as you can see what I made here.